In this today's video, we are about to learn what is omnichannel and how we can set up omnichannel from the scratch. So omnichannel is used to manage the priority of the work, which make it a clean to route important work item to agent quickly. So basically, we have a 25 cases and we have to route them to particular agents or 5 agents or 6 agents, and we want them to work on that immediately. We can route that particular thing from omnichannel. Omnichannel have a feature like we can manage the capacity, like how much work we have to provide to an agent, and we can also define like which particular type of work will be assigned to which particular type of agent through the skills and many more things. The prerequisites for the omnichannel is we must have Service Cloud user permission and must have Service Cloud license. Now, for the setup, we first have to enable the omni-channel. Then we have to create some routing configuration, some presence status, presence configuration, and then we have to create a service channel. After that, we have to add the omni-channel to the app and make agent online to route the case. So let's jump on action. So basically, first I have go to user and check if my particular user have the Service Cloud user or not. So already Service Cloud user is checked. So we are good to go. Now from the setup, we have to go service setup. Now we will type here omni channel and we will just after clicking we have to enable omni channel. These particular things enable skill based and direct to agent routing, enable secondary routing priorities, status backup model. We can like check it later as per our need. Now we just save it, and now the omni channel setup is done. If we can reload it, we can see like we have these type of things. The settings are enabled in the system. Now after that we will go for the routing configuration. Now in this routing configuration, we have to create a new routing configuration. We have to type a name. I'm naming it test route. We have to overflow assign, not compulsory. Priority will be 1. Model will be most available. We can change these things also. Unit of capacity, we can say we can case say like 5 records will be the capacity, and we will save this one. After that we have to create present status. So in here I already create available case, busy and on break system, and then we have to create a presence configuration. In this also we have a default. So basically if we didn't create a presence configuration, the default presence configuration is already assigned to the to every single profile whichever we are using it. Now we have to create a service channel. So creating a service channel, we have to create a new in service channel. Then we have to create, we can say like test channel. We can set the object Salesforce object. There is no second tab base, and we can save this one. Now we created a service. Okay, so this error is coming because the service channel we already created for this particular, which is called the case. So we will use this one as well. Now we have to create a queue. So I already created a queue. It's called queue new. and routing configuration is new, but we created a new routing configuration which is called test routing. So we will create. So we have to create a new queue which is called test routing queue, and then we have to select a routing configuration. In this routing configuration, we're selecting test routing. Then I have to select an available object. I can use case here. Then I have to use a user. I will add this user and click on save. Now every single thing is set it out. The only thing we have to do is edit that particular omnichannel in app manager, from app manager to service console. Now we go to service console, we click on edit and check that particular omnichannel is added or not. So basically omnichannel is a utility app. We will check the utility app have omnichannel or not. So I already add the omnichannel here. You can add it from the utility item. Now let's go to the service console and check this one. This is a service console, and from the cases that it click is I create a new case, new medium case origin web, let's take test omni channel and make it save. Now right now you can see the omni channel is coming here and it is offline. Now just clicking it here, and from here I'm just make it available. Now whenever a case is assigned to that particular queue, it will be route to me because I am the user of the queue. So I am just changing the owner to queue and finding here the test routing queue. So now we have to the case is available and we are routing this to the testing routing queue. When I hit the change owner, and you can see like this is route to me. When I click on tick, and this is automatically assigned to me. So this is